Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer videos from Vimeo to Panopto for enterprise learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer videos from Vimeo to Panopto for enterprise learning, begin by signing into your Vimeo account. Locate the video you wish to transfer. Click on the video to open its details page. On the video details page, look for the download button. If the option is available, click on download to save the video file to your computer. Next, navigate to your Panopto account. Sign in using your enterprise credentials. Once logged in, find the location where you want to upload the video. Click on the Create button, typically found at the top right corner of the interface. Select Upload Media from the drop-down menu. A file selection window will appear. Locate the video file you previously downloaded from Vimeo. Select the file and click Open. While the video uploads, you can fill in relevant details, such as the title and description. Once the upload completes, you may wish to configure playback options. Review the settings to ensure they meet your organization's learning requirements. When you're satisfied with the video settings, click Save or Publish to make the video available. You have now successfully transferred your video from Vimeo to Panopto for enterprise learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.